Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you a wig review. This wig I bought at Amazon, and let's go ahead and open it up. Let's get right to the video. So this is the packaging. Of course they do send it in a box with some, let me show you. Of course they send it in a box with these things in it, and you know, it's not like the wig is gonna get damaged or anything, but that's how they do ship. And the bag inside looks like this. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, take it out for you. So as you could see, it comes with a wig cap, and also there is a net around the wig, which is going to keep it in place. And this is what the wig looks like. I don't know why it has a little static. Look at that. The hair looks nice and soft. And you know what? This wig, I do have to tell you, this is my most expensive wig. It's almost $50. I do have other ones, but this is going to be my priciest wig. And I can certainly tell the difference when you touch the hair. Of course, it's not real hair. However, it feels like real hair. So let's go ahead and check out the actual lace. Well, let's start with the parting. I do notice that it kind of gets tangled really quickly. So we gotta be careful with that. This one, the root is darker right on top. It's kind of an ombre. And check out that parting. It looks great. And you do have baby hairs here, and of course you also have your actual lace here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and get rid of that lace. So let's go ahead and do that. I already have my hair braided, so it's easier to put it on. Let me grab something so I can do this and apply it. But prior to that, I forgot to mention, very important, you do have clips here. You have 1, 2, 3, and you also have one back here. And of course, you can adjust your wig right here with these straps, okay? So for me usually, I just make it a little bit smaller. And you do have lace back here. I'm thinking that you can actually do a pony with this wig. I'm not gonna trim the back or the bottom. I'm just going to trim the actual front of it, okay? Whoa. Move her adjuster. And I'm not gonna use my wig cap, but you certainly can if you like. So I'm just going to adjust it. And you know, I never really glue my wigs to my scalp or my hair or whatever you do. I just use it for, you know, a day and then take it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and start here. And again, I don't know if this is the right way to do it. This is just how I do it. Let me get my cap. Of course, Piro just got in the box. Of course, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and just so I could still trim a little bit more there, and I am. Like that. Again, you do have your baby hairs there. So this is how she looks like. Again, I still have to trim a little bit here, but I think so far it looks good. Can I part the side? Let's see. And yes, you actually can part the side. Of course, you know, with a little bit of gel, I can put the baby hairs, cut them however you like to. Right now, I'm not going to do that just yet because I don't know how I'm going to wear it. But I am digging these baby hairs right here. That kind of looks like what I have. So yeah, you can part it different ways. And the hair is actually beautiful. I think I need to spray a little bit of water, which of course I don't have any water in front of me. But if you spray a little bit of water, all the static will go away. This is how the back looks like. And that's the side. Let me go ahead and get some water and spray it. Do I like it? Do I think it's worth the $50? Well, I do. I think it is worth it. And the reason why it's worth it is, first of all, with the lace and everything, with the baby hairs, you can do so many things. So you could make it look real. And another thing is that you do have a lot of hair. It feels good. I have short hair myself. And, you know, yeah, I think it's worth it. So I will be linking all the information in the description box. Of course, I wanted to do a unboxing and try it on really quick. And yeah, let me know what you think. And like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Adios.